Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. So if you saw my last video, you would have seen that I hold this camper van. It's been abandoned for 5 years. I did give you a quick look around it as it was. I'll put that video on the screen up here at the end of this video if you want to see that. In that video I did say I was going to give it a good clean inside and give you a proper look. Now I am intending on doing this up over the summer and we'll do it all on film, so if you want to see that, do hit subscribe. Obviously I haven't done the outside of the van yet, so that's going to need more than a bucket and a sponge, that's for sure. You can see I'm getting somebody in with a water tank and a jet wash to get that, but I've done the inside of it, so I'll give you a quick look around inside, what's in it. I don't know what works and what doesn't, and tell you what my plans are. Provided I get through an MOT, of course, which that'll be the next video, so you can get through an MOT. Now speaking of the MOT, the wheel not missing. Side light missing, but I bought one. Need to fit that yet. So you can see there is a hookup with no cover. That'll probably need replacing. A few screws missing out of this light that need replacing, and cassette hauler is in there. Now when we went to move it, to tow it, the handbrake was seized. It was seized on this wheel, and what I've done is my mate's towed me with a big 4x4, and the action motion of towing it has managed to free up the handbrake. However, the handbrake light is still on. The handbrake does work but not very well, so that wheel needs to come off, handbrake needs to be fixed. I've had a good look underneath it, and to be fair, it doesn't look bad. There is a bit of rust on this wheel arch there. Nothing that a bit of welding won't fix. Anyway, let's go inside. Okay, so you cannot get into the cab from the rear of the vehicle unless you're really skinny. You can squeeze through there. This is a thin bit board, so we're replacing that. This was up there, however I'd like to let a bit more light in, so I'll probably just put a curtain there. The bathroom, in the last video I did say the shower's missing. It's not. One of my viewers actually commented saying this is the shower, and he was right. I can't see that being very good. Anyway, so that's all been given a good clean. That's got a bit of a crack in it there, bit of sticker flex, I reckon. Fix that. So this has all been bleached and cleaned. Okay, oven. Don't know if it works or not. I would assume it does. It looked like the inside of it is very clean, so it's almost like it had never been used, the oven. This has all been clean. That's where my bucket was sat, so that needs another wipe over. Fridge. That's had a good bleach. Again, no idea if it works. I will be getting another good clean before it ever gets used. If it does work, that's a fact. And then this seating area turns into a bed with those. However, I do want a fixed bed at the back. So my plan is rip this back wall out, have a fixed bed at the back coming out to maybe this kind of distance, a single seat here, and then rip this out, and then a seating area along that wall, and then a wood burning stove on a plinth sat there. Potentially, well, that's the option, wood burning stove there or potentially here. I'm probably going to go over there. There's also, if I open this, there's a bit of damp in there. So potentially where that pipe goes out is leaking, don't know. Until I pull all this out, I won't know. And then under here there is this, the gas pipes. I do believe that has a gas heater of some kind, which seems a bit strange using a gas heater inside the vehicle. I'm going to Google that, but I won't be using that. That's probably gone on eBay. And then in the back then, there was 3 115 amp hour leisure batteries there, but I've taken those out. I've got them on a repair charge cycle, see if they can be salvaged, but it's not looking good. 10 litre water heater, electric, a gas water heater there, which is going for sure, water tank, with stuff running to it. So yeah, we'll have a good look at that when we get into this build. So there you go. So probably next week or the week after, I'm going to bang it through an MOT, see what happens. I'll go through the MOT history and all that when we put it in. So if you do want to see that, do hit subscribe. If you do want to see what I'm going to do to this to renovate it all through the winter, I should try and do one video a week. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day.